morning students. Today we will be showing you the PE tutorial for grade 1 and 2 and the topic is squats. There are three types of squats. One is full squat, half squat and sumo squat. So in full squats you have to first take distance of 1 feet. Your hands will be straight and make sure when you go down, your knees should not come ahead of your toes. Okay? Your hands straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's begin. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So this was full squat. Now we will move to next squat, that is half squat. In half squat the distance will be same, 1 feet, but you have to go halfway down. Okay? In this also you have to make sure your knees should not go ahead of your toes. Your hands will be straight and just go down in a half way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's begin. Hands straight. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So students, this was half squat for you all. Now let's do sumo squat. In sumo squat, you have to stand with 1 feet distance and just turn your toes outside in this position. And you can, for your comfort level, you can increase the size of your leg. Okay, you can shift the leg more apart. Your hands will be straight and just go down in this position and it's a half squat. So go down in this position. It's a half sumo squats. Okay, just watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's begin. Hands straight, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So students, this was the exam tutorial for you all. I want each one to practice at home. Do practice and stay fit.